has issued a flood warning for Auglaize River at Fort Jennings. St. Mary's River at Decatur. At 1 p.m. Saturday, the stage on the Auglaize River near Fort Jennings was 11.3 feet and the river is rising. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above the 13.0-foot flood stage Sunday morning and crest at 15.3 feet around 7 p.m. Sunday, January 13th, which is 2.3 feet above flood stage. At 1 p.m. Saturday, the stage on the St. Mary's River near Decatur was 16.1 feet and the river is rising. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above the 17.0-foot flood stage early Sunday morning and crest at 19.7 feet around 7 a.m. Wednesday, January 16th, which is 2.7 feet above flood stage. Do not drive vehicles through flooded areas. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather Radio. All times are in Eastern Time. This statement will be updated in about 24 hours or sooner if necessary.